Hello friends, in this video I am showing you how to perform operations on complex numbers in Python. Here first of all we are going to define a complex number x equal to 1 minus 2j. Here the complex number has the imaginary part 2 and the real part 1. Then type of x, we are going to print the type of x, then we will get the result complex. Here x is a complex type object. Then again we are defining another variable y equal to 3 minus 4j. Okay, then type of y is not needed here. Then we are going to perform the operation directly using the arithmetic operators. Here the complex number operation, we are defining x star y divided by x plus y. In Python, we can directly use the arithmetic operators on the complex numbers to perform the arithmetic operations. And z equal to x star y divided by x plus y, and type of, yeah, just print the type of z. It will again be a complex number, then print z as well. So we get the result 0.76 something minus 1.34j. This is the new complex number created using the arithmetic operations on x and y, which is the result is z. Here we print the z. Then here for printing the type of z, we need to give the print function here also. So we get the result. This is a complex data type. Z is also a complex data type, and the result of Z is this value 0.76 minus 1.34j. Thanks for watching this video.